Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Maurya Ankita and I'm so excited. Today I will explore Appetize Momos and it is nearby my house. It takes only 2 minutes to reach there, and the fun fact is they have only one branch in Thane and everyone goes there to eat that their momos. Oh my god, it is too famous. So today I will explore Appetize Momos in Thane. So watch this video till the end. So I just left my home and weather is quite good. It's not that much cold and windy. I know it's a winter time and it should cold here, but it's quite good, and I'm very excited to try that Appetize Momos. And guys, I wore very comfy clothes, like whenever I want to have a food, so I'm trying I should wear very casual clothes. Like today I wore, you can see, t-shirt and jeans, that's it. And I'm very excited to try that Appetize Momos, and you will guys also have a fun. And so one thing I would like to share about Appetize Momos. Appetize Momos start at the morning 10 a.m. and it's close at 9 p.m. So anytime you can go have food and you can enjoy there. And fun thing is, like if you want to celebrate your friend's birthday, so you can celebrate there and you can tell them, it's my friend's birthday, can you play a music birthday song, or as long as you want to sit there, you can sit there. And it's really amazing. When I will show you now, you will say literally it's nice. So let's go. So as you can see, I reached here in Appetize Momos and they have decorated so nicely because it's New Year and everyone is so excited to celebrate New Year. So let's go with me inside of that Appetize Momos. Office going workers, so everyone enjoying that momos, and you can simply know how it is famous. And as you can see, they have veg steam, veg fried, non-veg steam and non-veg fried, and simply momos, and fried paneer, then chicken achari, then simple achari and chicken achari, then tandoor achari. And they have a lot of certification of appreciation. Now you can see they have a lot of certificate for appreciation, and they have launched a lot of different kind of varieties. Like you can get that any momos in just rupees at 99 rupees. And here also you can see a lot of offers. We will speak with Appetize Momos, their workers, how they have started this journey, and like they have seen that ups and downs. So we will take inspiration from them, and now they have a lot of branches in Mumbai, like Airoli, Mumbai, and Mulund, Ganjumarg. So let's speak with that persons. They both are with me and they are co-worker of Appetize Momos. So let's speak with them. So आपने ये जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट की?
हाय नमस्ते। एंड मैंने ये जर्नी 2012 में स्टार्ट किया था। मीन्स मैंने मेरे फादर के साथ जाके दार्जिलिंग में मैंने वहाँ पे देखा था मोमोज। मीन्स मेरे लिए कुछ नवा था एंड मुंबई वाले लोग के लिए भी नवा था। मैंने वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ नोटिस किया। मैंने 1 वीक वहाँ पे स्टे किया। वहाँ से मैंने 2 नेपाली लोग को भी लेके आया था। यहाँ पे पहले मैंने एक छोटा स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट किया था ठेला लाइक 4 पहिए वाले ठेले पे मैंने शुरुआत
So
किया था।
basically you have started this, like आपने start किया था?
यस, मेरे
See?
फादर ने स्टार्ट किया मीन्स मैं उनका चाइल्ड हूँ, तो मैंने पार्टनरशिप में मैंने आगे ग्रोथ किया। ये मेरे पार्टनर उमेश।
He is his partner Umesh.
यस, सो अभी तो मेरा मेन ब्रांच है थाने एंड मेरे और भी आउटलेट्स है अभी।
बट आपके बहुत सारे ब्रांचेस मैंने देखे,
Yes.
जैसे एरोली में है,
यस
मुलुंड
मैम,
में, कांजूरमार्ग में, बहुत
यस,
एवरीवेयर।
न्यू ओपनिंग अभी चालू है घाटकोपर एंड गांधीवाली में, और एक अपना दीघा में भी चालू है मैम ओपनिंग।
And you know guys, their service are really nice, and now you can see a lot of crowds came, and every day these crowds are every day, you know, 100 and 200 people come. Even I also often I also came so many times, and literally, you know, their momos is really amazing. So later I will show you. Thank you so much. आपने मुझे इतना बताया।
विजिट प्लीज।
Yeah, please do visit his Appetize Momos, and it is nearby Thane station. You can ask anyone, and if you don't know, and it is literally nearby, you know, nearby.
Walking just
Yeah, just 2-minute walking from station, so you can come here and eat their momos. I gave my order, simply fried momos, and they have given me this token. So they will call my token number. My token number is 209, so they will call. So I have to receive my food, and I will show you. So they have given me this. I have taken fried paneer momos, and that's 4 in half, and that's Szechuan chutney and mayonnaise. Let's try. I'm trying this, so let's see how they have made it. That's Szechuan chutney and it's really amazing. You know, that paneer has cooked very nicely, like it's quickly melt in your mouth, and the taste is coming off like with ginger, garlic, and cabbage, carrot, and they even added that coriander also. So that taste is really very nice. And I'm enjoying my very nicely. So if you find this video interesting, then like, subscribe, Ankita Dubya, and I will meet in next video with a new video, and take care.